Just a quick video on the 2019 Tundra turn signals. Now, it's happened a couple times to me just recently. During the daytime, I've had my turn signal on, and I've been signaling to turn, and somebody's been waiting for me, and they give me this look and maybe a handshake or something like that, maybe a few mouthing of the words, just to let me know that they didn't see my turn signal. So I've been reading about it online, and there's a couple things that are available for us. This is a 2019 Tundra. Things have changed a little bit with the LED headlights, and I think that's what the issue is. So we've got these JDM astars, about 20 turn signal LED bulbs that are 1260 lumens. So I have compared the Tundras of a few years back. They are a little bit more pronounced, the turn signals, the daytime running lights, the amber lights. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what it takes to just switch those out real quick.
Kind of see it there, it's not really very pronounced. So right here is your turn signals on each side. It's just a press in the tab, pull out, and we're going to switch those out real quick and see what kind of difference it makes. Here's a stock bulb. It actually turns out, it twists out. Quite a difference in the size of the bulb, okay? So the lengthwise. So we're going to try this out and see if it actually works. Well, there they go. No hyper flashing. That's a big deal. So as we can see, they are much brighter. Trying to get the same angles. Let's go try the hazards and see if we can make a discernible difference between that. I think this gives a real nice contrast between the two. To the eye, it is much brighter. I think the film is catching it pretty good. Kind of an odd place. Even from this angle, your turn signals is kind of cut off a little bit by that grill. Definitely brighter and only $20.
All right, so there we go. That's your Toyota Tundra tip for the day. Definitely worth it. If you're thinking about doing this upgrade, go for it.
Bada bing, bada boom. Done in 10. A little bit tight fit in there. Passenger side was definitely easier than the driver's side, but I think that's going to make a big difference. And I have a little bit more confidence now that people are going to see me when I signal.
Now hopefully I'm not going to have people flipping me off or yelling obscenities.